tornado was located 12 miles southwest of Siler City, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. The impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Siler City around 7:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Harper's Crossroads, Staley, Coleridge, Hasty, and Liberty. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham and Randolph,